Excuse me.
My house is your house.
Oh, thank you.
Sit. Oh, good. Let's play.
Play now with you?
Yeah,
Okay.
I will.
I will win.
I will win.
So I'm very happy to be here.
Me too. Do you need to meet São Paulo?
Yes, but I have no idea of São Paulo.
No problem. I am studying English, do you remember?
Yes, but and then?
So, in my college, we did a tourist guide.
Oh, really? That's nice.
Yes, I have a copy, and I can give for you.
So I think that's better to take me out. And what do you think?
It's a good idea. When you like to go?
So, no, I win.
Oh no.
So I wanna go now, let's go.
Now?
Yeah.
Yes, but I need to see some places in tourist guide.
No, I can't see a lot of places. Just take the glasses. Let's go.
No. Yeah.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Reeds drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom in the trees, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
Dorime, interrimo ad appare dorime, ameno, lanciremo, dorime, ameno, o mandare imperavi, ameno.
If this life is one act, why do we lay all these traps? We put them right in our path when we just wanna be free. I will not waste my days making up all kinds of ways to worry about all the things that will not happen to me. So I just let go of what I know I don't know, and I know I only do this by living in the moment, living my life easy and breezy, with peace in my mind, with peace in my heart, with peace in my soul. Wherever I'm going, I'm already home, living in the moment. I'm letting myself off the hook for things I've done. I let my past go past, and now I'm having more fun. I'm letting go of the thoughts that do not make me strong, and I believe this way can feel the same for everyone. And if I fall asleep, I know you'll be the one who'll always remind me to live in the moment, living my life easy and breezy, with peace in my mind, with peace in my heart, with peace in my soul. Wherever I'm going, I'm already home. I can walk through life pushing backwards. I have tried more than once to just make sure, and I was denied the future I'd been searching for. I spun around and hurt no more by living in the moment, living my life easy and breezy, with peace in my mind, with peace in my heart, with peace in my soul. Wherever I'm going, I'm already home.